Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Buffer for social media content workflows, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Go to the Buffer website. Click on the Get Started Free button. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once you've entered your details, click on Continue. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This will redirect you back to the Buffer website. Now, you will need to set up your profile. Fill in your name and any additional information requested. Next, select the social media platforms you would like to connect. Buffer supports platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. For each platform, you will need to grant Buffer the necessary permissions. Follow the prompts to log into each social media account. Once logged in, authorize Buffer to access your accounts. After connecting your accounts, Buffer may prompt you to choose a plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs, including free and paid options. Start by creating your first post using the dashboard. Click on the Create Post button. Choose the social media account you want to post to. Craft your message in the text box. Add any images or links if desired. Schedule your post by selecting the date and time. If you prefer, you can share it immediately by clicking Post Now. Review your scheduled posts in the calendar view. This helps you manage your content workflow effectively. Explore additional features like analytics and performance metrics. Familiarize yourself with Buffer's user-friendly interface. This will enhance your social media content strategy over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.